Welcome to Home of Politics. Ladies and gentlemen, the transfer of Justice Mugure Thandi has brought a lot of mixed reactions, both to the public, to the media, and everybody is in question of this immediate transfer. And the transfer is alarming because this judge was the one who was responsible with the petition which had frozen the implementation of the 2023 Finance Act. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been very unfortunate to the petitioners and the complainants who were against this implementation of the Finance Act 2023 because it had happened as an immediate thing that it had not been expected to happen soon. According to Senator Okiya Omtata, he is very much disappointed and he sees this as an unfair thing. Ladies and gentlemen, amongst the judges who have been transferred, it is not Mugure Thandi alone. They were 13 in number, and if we can analyze these judges and where they have been posted, then we see it is a reshuffling that has been happening across Kenya, and different judges have been reshuffled from one place to another. First one was this Mugure Thandi, who was reshuffled to go to Malindi court. We have Chacha Mwita, who has been reshuffled to Milimani courts. We have Diana Kaveza reshuffled to Kibra and Kahawa courts. We also have David Majanja, he has been reshuffled to Milimani Civil Division Court. We also have Edwin Ogundi. This judge has been reshuffled to Nakuru High Court. We have Hilary Chemitei, Milimani Family Division Court. We have Maureen Odero, she has been reshuffled to Nyeri. We have Florence Mchemi, she is in Thika High Court. Patricia Gichohi, Nakuru High Court. Then we have Teresia Odera, Kisii Court. Peter Mulwa is in Milimani Court. Then we have Alem Visram in Milimani Court, and finally we have Lilian Mtende, whose issue is pending. She is not yet confirmed whether she is being transferred or not, but she is supposed to be reshuffled. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the Commission of Judges, this is something that has been done in a procedural manner, and everything has been considered before these judges are transferred, and they have done it in a good faith, and there is nothing to do with political intentions. And they are saying it is unfortunate and sometimes maybe it is illegal because this judge Mugure Thandi, who have been playing a key role here in the handling of the petition of the Finance Act 2023, has been immediately reshuffled. Ladies and gentlemen, now that the petitioner, who is Okiya Omtata, is from the opposition side, and the person who proposed this Finance Act is the president, then it might be seen as these two parties are conflicting. And one reason of transferring this judge who was stopping the bill from being implemented, it might be that to remove any obstacle that might be standing on the way of the bill to be implemented. And so whenever this judge has been removed out from Milimani Court, then it means she got nothing to do with cases in Milimani Court, and now she will be attending to other cases in another court somewhere else, and therefore her presence being an obstacle, now it has been cleared. Another possible reason is maybe she's facing that immediate transfer as a punishment, maybe because she has been compromising with what the parliament, the senate, and the government had proposed, and therefore as a punishment it is just to shuffle her and take her to another place. Another thing, she has been standing in place of the opposition side. If we can see, opposition side have been raising their tension so much because of this finance bill. In fact, they have been speaking on behalf of the public, saying that this finance bill, it is not favorable at all to the citizens, considering now that the economy is very bad and living standard is very high. And because even the petitioner was from the opposition, then it means these conflicting two sides, in order to stop them, the only way is to remove this judge and being placed to another area. I don't know if that one is how things are working, but according to the Judges Commission, their shuffling is procedural. They have done their job perfectly and there's nothing to complain. But for Okia Omtata, he still have doubts because he doubts whether Mugure Thandi has even served a period of 3 years in this Milimani court, because whenever you've served 3 years, then you can be transferred to another place. And for him, he really doubts. He feels like this transfer has come very, very urgently in the time when she is needed so much, because she is the one who have been playing a key role in the implementation of this Finance Act 2023. Despite this judge being transferred, Okia Omtata is still firm on his decision, and he says he will proceed on with the petitioning and he will not backslide again, whether the support of this judge has been withdrawn. I don't know how he is going to fight this him alone, or maybe he can book another judge, or they can look for another judge who will stand in the gap of Mugure Thandi. But for Okia Omtata, this one is a big blow, by the way, even to the opposition and the public, those people who had hope that this bill will be cancelled. It is a very big blow and it seems to be unfair to them. And earlier, Okia Omtata has been having good relationship with President William Samoei Ruto just before he arose into power to be a president. These have been two friends, and something that have brought maybe differences in ideologies or their relationship becoming loose. It is the time when the president himself proposed this Finance Act Bill 2023, and then the irony of it, Okia Omtata himself is the opposer now here. He's going to the court filing a petition to be against his friend again, the president. Ladies and gentlemen, this has brought a lot of hot air even in the parliament and the senate, because Okia Omtata has found himself in a poor relationship with the speakers of the two houses. That one is Amason Kingi from the Senate, and the speaker from the parliament, that one is Moses Wetangula. And the problem here came when this speaker of the parliament, Moses Wetangula, said that Okia Omtata's document to file the petitions and other things, maybe they were forgeries, they were not correct, they were not satisfying at all. And this made again Okia Omtata to respond to these speakers that they are people who are lying, because how comes they say that the consent of the public, both in the Senate and in the Parliament, were 100% agreed upon and everything was satisfying, and at the end they agree, they concur with each other that public participation was involved, and therefore for Okia Omtata, these two speakers should be cross-examined whether they are doing the truth or not. And things that are leaving Okia Omtata in a very painful situation is that the judge who was handling the petition has been transferred. The finance bill that has been frozen, it has been ruled out. Now he is there still insisting that he will hold on to the petition. I don't know how will this come to unveil, but that is how things has happened for now. Ladies and gentlemen, do you think the transfer of this judge has been acted in a fair way, considering the petitions that had been filed and the situation of the the station of the Finance Act to the public, although it is not final because there is still room for you can still take a complaint. In fact, they have set some days from 10th of August 2023. People who want to bring their complaints, they can also go to court, and as from date 24th of the same August, the replies will be given to the complaints and other petitions concerning that bill if you are interested. I don't know what you think about this, but send me your ideas about your opinion on this issue of immediate transferring of Judge MUGURE THANDI during this crucial moment. Have a good day.